Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create RAR and zip files, pack your files into a RAR and zip archives on your Lenovo Tab P12 Pro. So in order to do that, we'll need to download the app, which we've shown in our other video, and from here find the files that we want to pack. So mine are located in DCI and camera. From here, select any file that you want to pack. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one and this one, not this one because it's obscured, but these two files. After selecting files that you want to pack, click on this plus button and you'll be able to customize this RAR and zip file. So right here you can set the password for the file. So for example, I'm going to call it 123, and if you're not sure that you typed in correct password, click on show password. Here you can encrypt the file names if you want, and after doing all that, you can press OK. Choose the extension for the file. It can be Rar Zip or Rar 4.x. I'm going with Rar 1. Here you can change the name. Simply click on it and then pop the keyboard and enter the name. I'm gonna leave it like that. Pardon me. Here you can also enable delete files after archiving or create solid archives. And now let's move to advanced options, where you can find more options, and in options there's even more options. In the comment you can leave any comment about this file, and after setting everything, click OK and your RAR file will be created. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.